Now, I'm just going to quickly talk about a couple of free traffic methods in this video. And these traffic methods can bring you immediate traffic to your review sites. Okay, so with the first method, we're going to utilize a tool called Google Alerts. So you would just do a search for Google Alerts here on Google. And I'm sure most people are already familiar with Google Alerts. And what it does is you would type in a keyword here and you would get notified by email whenever that keyword shows up on a new article or a blog post. So for this example, let's say you've written some reviews on Vitamix, which is a high quality blender that is in the price range between 500 to over $1,000. So you can get some pretty good commissions promoting the Vitamix. Now, so you would type in that keyword here and then type in your email here. Okay, and try to sign up for as many alerts as you can. So instead of just using the product name, you could also do the competitor product names. For example, the NutriBullet, Breville, and other names. You could also do alerts for keywords in that niche. For example, the weight loss niche, or juicing, or blender, or fitness, for example. Okay, you could also do alerts for well-known health experts in that niche. Okay, so you want to do as many as you can, and hopefully, when you get alerted, you will be one of the first to comment on those sites. Because if you're one of the first, most likely your comments will get a lot more exposure. And now, when you type in your comments, you cannot just say, "Wow, that was a great article. Now check out my review of this product," by going to this link. You're going to have to provide some helpful comments. So you're going to have to put some thought into it. What you could do, if you want, you could, write a helpful comment, put a lot of thought into it, and then what you could do is just use that comment multiple times, just copy it into other sites that you visit. Okay, now another traffic method I want to talk about here is visiting forums. So you just do a search on Google for forums in your niche. So if you're in the weight loss niche, you would just go weight loss forums. Okay, and basically visit these forums, and again, you're going to want to provide a lot of helpful tips or comments. And what you're going to want to do is put a signature in your posts, a signature that promotes your review site. So for example, your signature can say something like, "For my review on what the best Vitamix models are, click here."